New earning method in this video again. The link of the website is below on description of this video. Let's quickly get to know about website and guidelines. Firstly, quickly get acquainted with withdraw information. For 1 million points, you get $100 from PayPal, payment proofed. It doesn't matter how much points you earn, just if it is enough to withdraw the minimum amount of $3 you can get paid your money, because every 10,000 points equals to $1 and you just should get your money when you want. 1. Sign up process. No extra registration needed. You can immediately sign up to our platform with your already existing Steam account. We also support authentication through Google, Facebook, Twitter, and Discord. 2. How to earn points. We offer multiple ways to earn points. Complete tasks and offers, watch videos, play mobile games, test software, or invite your friends to Idle Empire. Discover your favorite earning method. 3. Get rewarded. You can then exchange your points for skins, games, gift cards, and cryptocurrencies. We support different markets which allow you to withdraw skins for several popular games, including CSGO and TF2. Here are earning methods: surveys, offer walls, offers, watch videos, referrals, and promotions. Leaderboard. Information about the leaderboard. How does the leaderboard work? The leaderboard tracks the earnings of all users and creates a user ranking list. The leaderboard resets every 7 days on Sunday, 2400 hours set. As you see, it is a beginning of the weekly rewards and beginning of the first day in the leaderboard. There are users those made so much points in just few hours. Weekly rewards will give you extra 300,000 points for first place, 200,000 points for second, and 100,000 points for third place, and they are equal $30, $20, and $10 PayPal cash. This cycle I. What happens when two users have the same amount of points? When two or more users have the same amount of points when a period ends, it is randomly chosen who wins the prize. How can I see if I won? You can check if you won by looking at your transactions history in the user panel. If you won, there will be a transaction of the type leaderboard we. You can also follow us on Steam, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Discord channels. Invite your friends to our website. Earn 20% lifetime commission on all referral earnings from surveys and offers. 1. User must be new to our website. 2. You earn 20% on all points that your referrals earn through surveys and offers. 3. You earn 50 for every new referral. 4. User earns 500 when signing in through your referral link. Sorry for interruption, guys. This is our next earning method video. Please give us your support only by subscribing to our channel. In the next part of this video, more about of the website. Let's face it, virtual items for games shouldn't be that expensive, yet they are. But what if people could get them for free? Initially we focused on Counter-Strike, Global Offensive. We wanted everyone to able to get their favorite in-game skins without having to pay for them. We received a very positive feedback from our users, and the growth of our platform gave us more confidence. Idle Empire is now expanding. We want to operate beyond the realm of CSGO. Users of our services can earn points in a variety of ways. Complete small tasks, watch videos, answer marketing surveys, or test games and services. Those points can then be redeemed through different providers. As you see, guys, when I signed up in this website for watching and earning, currently website that this video about Idle Empire and previous websites, those I made videos about them already. Cointoply and Prizerbeal automatically get connected with this platform. Good job. Today, we have over 500,000 users from all around the world. We believe it's just the beginning. Our history. August 12, 2015. Gaben, please. Simon is spending too much money on CSGO skins. Empty pockets spark off the idea for Idle Empire. September 2, 2015. A beginning. Idle Empire is officially born. Simon and Yannick start working on the first prototype of the product. September 22, 2015. The birth. The first version of the Idle Empire website is launched publicly. A few users start to visit us. October 13, 2015. An extraordinary map. Idle Empire releases its first custom CS:GO idle map. Huge flat screens decorate the entrance hall. January 15, 2016. Growth starts. We just hit 10,000 users on our website. A major milestone for the yet so young empire. September 9, 2016. The big revamp. A new and much more modern website is released. Now with a complete integration of different survey providers. March 22, 2017. Another milestone. Growth starts to take off with the new website. The Idle Empire Steam group now has 100,000 members. March 15, 2018. Redesigned website. The Idle Empire website experiences a major update once again. We focused on a more intuitive user interface. May 2, 2018. Joining the revolution. Users can now withdraw cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Mining also has been introduced as a method to earn points. Thanks guys for watching. This was my next earning method, and by the way, subscribe to my channel. Good luck.